In my wedding photos, I look oddly pained. I look as if my wisdom teeth might be impacted, as if someone enormous had stepped on my toe. I look as if my husband has just commented on my wedding outfit, the two-piece natural beige linen dress with a delicate embroidery pattern worked into the front panel in the same beige as the dress. I look as if he has requested in the calmest of voices that I wear the top backwards so that the buttons are in the front and the embroidery in the back. He hates the embroidery. Surely that comment was my cue to skip town, head for the hills or the first Greyhound bus for anywhere, start a chain of pie shops. After all, the previous night, my mother had said, "It's not too late to change your mind." But I knew that it was my destiny to be married, if only for a short time, to a man who felt that the width of noodles affected the taste of the soup, and that I was deliberately choosing the wide kind to spoil the flavor. I knew that being married would enable me to get away from my mother and earn an MFA from Boston University. I knew somewhere beyond my thinking brain that someday my husband would say to me in a pleasant tone, "I like you very much, but I am teaching sociology to Radcliffe girls, and they are swarming all over me, and I would like to take one of them as my mistress. May I?" And I would have the chance to deliver the line that I will cherish with pleasure forever. There's not enough in this marriage for one woman, let alone two. Which led to my Mexican divorce, allowing me to bring home some gorgeously decorated dissolution papers and some real Mexican enchiladas to my delighted friends in Massachusetts.